Hello tech lovers, in today's video I'm going to be introducing to you the formula that will change your online business totally. If this is what you want to watch, please watch this video to the end, subscribe, like and share this video out. This is Bumi and I welcome you all tech lovers to this channel. In today's video I'll be giving us some WhatsApp marketing funnel that will help you in your business in 2023. So keep watching, and without any further ado, let's just dive straight to the tutorials for today, or to the videos of today. So please do not forget to thumbs up, like this video, share out, subscribe if you're new, see my face for the first time, and please share out this video. Someone will need this video. Every business owner must watch this video if you are not familiar with WhatsApp marketing. So tech lovers, my funnel, the effective funnel for WhatsApp marketing is what I call the awareness, interaction, and closure, which is AIC. So I'm going to be breaking it down to us. Number one, awareness. You're selling something for the first time and people do not know that product you want to sell, and they don't even know the face behind that product. So how do you get people to buy this product on WhatsApp? Fine, you're going to make use of your status, okay? But there's something I want to let you know is that do not be too hasty to push your product forward. Don't let, because people on your WhatsApp would not want to check your status because they are always posting that same thing on your status, okay? So do not be hasty to post your product on your status, okay? Even though you want to create awareness, okay? So continue watching and I'm going to tell you what to do. Another way you can create awareness is there's a way you can create a broadcast list on your WhatsApp. A lot of people make mistake by creating group, okay? By creating groups to market their products. I would say a no to that, because if you create a group and you want to market your products to them, it will not, a lot of people would not see the products. Even if they see the product, they will not want to take it that serious. But if you check your broadcast list, if you do a broadcast list to all the numbers you want to send your products to, right? It's going to land on their WhatsApp, and the open rate is very high. As we all know, the open rate of a WhatsApp is the most highest than the open rate of email marketing. Is the same thing, is similar, the similarities is there. There's email marketing and there's WhatsApp marketing, okay? And a lot of people don't really know about this WhatsApp marketing, and that is why I'm doing a campaign on it right now, especially the country I am in right now. I've done my research. So the country I am in right now, they don't really know much about WhatsApp marketing, and it's just similar, as I said earlier, to email marketing. The open rate of WhatsApp is very fast. For example, if you send me a message right now on WhatsApp, I'm more active on my WhatsApp. Unlike those days when there's no telephone, when we don't have a phone, right? And most people just communicate through emails. So you can do both. You can get leads for your email address, for your email marketing, and you can also get leads on WhatsApp marketing, okay? But that's not the main purpose of this video, right? So when you create that broadcast list, you can see people replying you immediately, okay? And some of them will reply, oh, I love this bag. For example, you're selling a bag and they love the bag. You put the bag on your status, and it's not good to make your WhatsApp status very custom, right? Very jam-packed, a lot of pictures on your status is not advisable. So you put a picture on your WhatsApp, the picture of what you're selling on your WhatsApp. Then you can put like a motivational post, a funny, a comedy stuff on your WhatsApp, and the next thing you put your picture on your WhatsApp, because a lot of people will want to say, oh, who is, if they see your face, they will be so eager to go and check your status from the beginning, and they will see what they like. And from there, the broadcast list that I said, you start an interaction with them. Okay, so when you start an interaction with them, you have to be friendly. That's where the automation that you created, you know, I've said a lot of, if you miss the videos, you can always go back to the playlist and watch the videos, right? So the broadcast that you've sent to all your friends or your family and friends on your status, some people might be interested, right? And you start interacting with them in a nice way. And so when you're interacting with them also, the quickest way for you to be able to get quick sale is, thank God there is the tools on WhatsApp, by sending pictures, which you've sent earlier. Then you send a voice note, okay, trying to talk to them, trying to tell them that the benefit of why they need to get this. And you send testimonials, like that's what they call social proof right now. You send testimonials to the clients that indicates that they want a particular stuff you're selling. And after sending the testimonials, the customer would get interested, voila, and you close it. And the next thing the customer or your family or friend will just say is, can you send me your payment details? Okay, so now you're not trying to close the sales, right? But a lot of people don't know this. You don't have to a lot of people don't want to know your bank account. They don't even want to know your bank details, okay? So it's not advisable to send your bank details. All you need to do is that particular product that you're selling. And that is why if you don't know about Koji, right? Koji is a place where you can also display your products, and they can pay you. And you can pay out into your account at the end of the day. You link your account on Koji to either Stripe. You can link it to PayPal also. So you can also, the video will also be in the description box or pinned in the comment section, right? So after creating that particular product, if you don't have a website, right, Koji is free, okay? And you can go to my Instagram account, TechwithBunmi. You see the sample, one of the my example, what I did there, and you can use it as yours, okay, as an example to create your product also, right? So even if you don't want to use Koji for a sign up for payment, you can create a seller account. That's SELAR. I'm going to put the logo here. And if you want me to do a video on how to create a seller, then you type yes in the comment section. And the last thing you should do is create a website or create a landing page and link that price to your website or your landing page, and people will patronize you. That person looking at your products will see that you're an organized person, okay? And I hope you're gaining one or two things from this video right now. So let me know in the comment section, what are your questions on WhatsApp marketing. Feel free to ask me any of your questions. And as I said, again, I have a Telegram group. So if you want to be the first person to get some information, because from 2023, I'm going to be having a one-on-one section to any persons, especially I'm building a community for women, right? So any woman that wants to scale their business online can join my Telegram group, and it's going to be a 1 hour section, but I'm going to be launching it next year. So watch out and check my description, watch others of my videos. And before I conclude this video, is another way is that for closing that deal, right, you have to create a deal. It can be a 10% deal, it can be a 15% deal, it can be a 20% deal, or you can do a free deal. So that will attract the customer to buy more, because and you can do free shipping, because a lot of people like free shipping. Okay, so I've come to the end of this video, so please do not forget to watch others of my video. Thank you for watching, and please, have you given this video a thumbs up? Question of the day: are you using WhatsApp for your business? Let me know in the comment section, and you can ask me any of your questions, and I will be in the comment section to ask you. Okay, so please share this video out to a business owner, share it to a friend to share to a friend. Let's this video go round, and